Smart Popper, how do I become a Python Pro?
Great question, Junior Dev. Let's map it out. Choose your Python career path and get certified. Let's dive into the Python Certification Roadmap 2025. Start your journey with Core Python Programming. PCEP Certified Entry-Level Python Programmer, perfect for beginners. PCAP Certified Associate Python Programmer, dive deeper into object-oriented programming, modules, and exceptions. PCPP 1, Certified Professional Python Programmer 1. Master advanced concepts like design patterns and best practices. PCPP 2, Certified Professional Python Programmer 2. Push your limits with multi-threading, networking, and more. Love working with data. Python's data science certifications have you covered. PCED, Certified Entry-Level Data Analyst with Python Learn Basics of Data Wrangling and Visualization. PCAD, Certified Associate Data Analyst with Python. Apply real-world analytics with Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib. Want to become a QA automation expert? PCET, Certified Entry-Level Tester with Python. Learn the testing basics and test-driven development. PCAT, Certified Associate Tester with Python. Dive into automation frameworks like PyTest and Unit Test. PCPT, Certified Professional Tester with Python. For advanced automation and test pipeline integration. Python plus CyberSecurity, a powerful combo. PCES, Certified Entry-Level Security Specialist with Python. Covers cryptography, secure coding, and threat basics. PCAS, Certified Associate Security Specialist with Python. Dive into vulnerability scanning, secure APIs, and real-time threat analysis. Automate everything, from your inbox to infrastructure. PCEA, Certified Entry-Level Automation Specialist with Python. PCAA, Certified Associate Automation Specialist with Python. Build web apps? Python is a backend powerhouse. PCEW, Certified Entry-Level Web Developer with Python. PCAW, Certified Associate Web Developer with Python. Whatever your Python passion, there's a roadmap to match. Certifications that evolve with tech, tracks tailored for real-world impact. And hey, prep smart with MyExamCloud. Pawsome practice awaits.
Yowsome! I'm starting today.